What happens when a 70,000-kilogram tank collides with a bus full of passengers? Let's first consider the scenario of a collision between a 1,500-kilogram car and a full bus. In such a collision, the front of the car would be completely crushed, putting the car driver's life at great risk. The bus driver could sustain severe injuries, and passengers not wearing seatbelts may be ejected out of the bus like projectiles through the windshield, a harrowing sight indeed. But with a heavier vehicle involved, the consequences would be even more dire. Next, let's discuss what happens when a 3,000-kilogram pickup truck collides with a bus under such impact. The bus driver may suffer fatal injuries, and passengers could also sustain injuries to their spines due to the constraint of seatbelts, injuries severe enough to be life-threatening. Now consider a 7,500-kilo van colliding with a bus. The bus will endure significant impact, leading to crushing and distortion. In this crash, the survival odds for the driver and occupants are incredibly low. Let's observe a 10-ton truck smashing into a bus. You can witness the bus's frame fully compressed, and regarding the driver and passengers, it's clear, it's an outright catastrophe. Lastly, we consider the utmost extreme case, a 70-ton tank barreling into a loaded bus. During such a strike, the bus will be nearly annihilated, leaving almost no survival possibility for the driver or passengers, likely pulverized swiftly. Analyzing collisions between differently weighted vehicles and a bus, we deduce that in high-velocity crashes, a vehicle's mass and kinetic force critically influence the aftermath.